My people, if you love good food, then you are the right place. Today we are cooking up a rich, healthy and delicious vegetable soup that will make your taste buds dance. Whether you enjoy it with swallow, rice or just on its own. This soup it's packed with fresh veggies, bold flavors and that home cooked goodness we all love. No talk long, get your ingredient ready because this soup go sweet die. Let's get cooking jare. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out any of my delicious recipes. Oh yeah, let's get cooking. So here are the real MVPs of this soup. We'll be using our seasoning cube, our salt and our jime spice. One of these days I'm going to show you my jime spice. That spice is really good. Next is our red pepper, our fresh ice fish, our blended crayfish, our cow skin. I got the thicker and the softer one. The softer one is the one I'm showing you underneath it. Our palm oil, our chicken, our water leaf, and then of course our ugu leaf. So these are the ingredients we are using to make this soup. First, put your clean chicken inside pot, then add your thick pomo. I dey cut my pomo into small pieces so I go fit enjoy am well when I dey chop. Make una no vex, today I go use both Nigerian and English accent for this video. After I don cut and wash my pomo, I go add am inside the pot wey my chicken dey. Next, I go season my proteins well so e go carry better taste. By now, you all already know how we prep our meat. So I'm going to stir the meat with the seasoning and cover the pot and then let it boil on low to medium heat so the meat can release its natural juice. After the meat releases its natural juices, I will add 1 cup of water to ensure it cooks fully. And I'm going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the water is almost dried up and my meat is well cooked, I will add my palm oil and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Next, I go add my soft pomo, then follow am with my water leaf. I go add my water leaf first so that the water wey dey inside the water leaf go dry down small. After about 3 minutes, I will check my soup, you go see say the water don increase pass before, abi? Good. Next, I go add my ugu leaf, then turn am gently. Make sure say your fish no go break inside the soup, so take some free turn am. After that, I go add my fresh ice fish followed by my sweet crayfish. Then I go leave am to boil for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will test for salt or seasoning. I'm adding a pinch of salt and a little fresh pepper to make the soup more colorful. After 1 minute, my soup is ready to be enjoyed with any combo or combination of your choice. And that's it, my people. Our delicious vegetable soup is ready to enjoy. You can pair it with any combo of your choice: rice, pounded yam, or even garri. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.